That's crazy. To say hi at all or no?
I can. Do you want me to say hi?
Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the wonderful island of Oahu. Let's go hiking. It is adventure time, and that also means it's take care of Bullseye time. Bullseye has just an inch shy of 290,000 miles on her.
Bullseye's just getting broken in.
All right, welcome back, beautiful people. We are off on an adventure to a place we have not yet been to on this island. We are going to Manoa Falls, which is pretty much the sister falls to the Lulu. I'll put it in the right there. So we're going there and we're picking up Maddie. Maddie just recently PCS'd from Italy. She is Italian and her husband is actually either part Hawaiian or full Hawaiian, which is pretty cool. Now, I don't know if she's gonna talk to you guys very much. You guys are really intimidating, so don't take that personally if she doesn't talk to the camera very much. But we're on our way to go pick her up and hit it. We just got Alex from school, and you know, I'm hoping that we find parking. And if we don't find parking, I gotta come up with a backup plan. Ready, set, go. Some of the best hiking I have had the privilege of ever experiencing is actually on this small island. Can you believe that? So yeah, a little more touristy, but you know what? We got in the truck and boom, right there are all the wild pigs. Pua came to greet us. He is still there, he is. Oh, there's more than one. Oh my God. All right, hold the camera, Haley. Point it at the pig, please.
Do you see the pig? They're right here. Go, right here.
I see its butt, it's showing its butt.
And you know what? I've lived on this island for almost a year now, and I actually have not seen any wild pigs. Everyone talks about them. I see all kinds of photos. I've heard them, but I've never seen them. And this little family of wild pigs came to greet us. That was pretty cool. And you know, of course, it wouldn't be Hawaii without the chickens. I've seen a lot of other vloggers come out here and they don't even mention the chickens. There are chickens everywhere. It's not Hawaii if you don't have chickens. Say hi at all or no?
I can. Do you want me to say hi?
I told them.
Your friend. Hi, I'm Barbie.
I told them that you might make an appearance, but don't blame her if she's shy. You guys are really intimidating.
I'm just like not used to being on camera, that's all.
We gotta go that way. We should probably read the sign. Haley is my princess, and of course, Barbie had to come today.
This is amazing.
Whoa. This is so Avatar.
I thought it was Jurassic Park, but I'll take Avatar too.
Oh, Avatar at the bottom. It had a poop slime. Had slime as a poop.
It had slime as a poop.
They made it slime as
It didn't smell bad.
Why do they throw shoes in the tree?
That's crazy. That's very cool. Is Barbie your full support today? Yeah. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool.
It's a friend!
All right, ready, set, go, go, go. Just when you think that you know everything about a place, you turn a corner and voila!
We're almost there, I can't tell.
This one are called bufo toads.
They're poison dart frogs in Hawaii?
That's what it says.
What?
They were introduced to control insects. This one is called
Man, don't touch anything.
This fish and this fish, they put them in here to kill mosquitoes.
Huh. That is true. Haley can do it just really fast.
Okay, you're gonna have to.
I love how the girls through this whole thing were just talking it up with Maddie about, you know, what does unicorn poop look like? What a unicorn horn's made out of. You know, Maddie was a great sport because they just kept going and she was very attentive to what they were saying. And I actually really appreciate that, Maddie. Thank you.
I got stung on my butt cheek the first time.
Oh man, that sounds rough.
That was really painful.
Way to describe it. They're long rats. That's what a mongoose is. Just saw one scoot by. There's a lot of critters on this trail.
A spear rat. I saw one mongoose. One guy.
Yeah, he'll run off. Drink some water, Haley.
He's gonna go into the jungle.
There he goes.
There's a mongoose.
That was a mongoose.
You saw a mongoose? Alex, how many did you see?
2. I saw one.
Wait. She saw 1. I saw 2. Mom, you saw 3.
How many is that?
6.
2.
I
3.
think we only saw
1, 2,
3 all total, though. I think we saw the same one.
3. How cute.
No, she was just talking about your scooter, Alex. She was.
That's what we just saw.
Exactly.
It looks like a rhino chameleon.
That's what we just saw right now.
That's a very.
Man, so the chameleon is not from here. The mongoose is not from here.
The tree snail is from here.
Well,
Yes.
I guess.
This looks like
And these
a
guys are
rhino.
eating the snails.
What about that one?
The owl.
I didn't know there was
Oh, it
owls.
is Hawaiian.
I gotta
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Chee-hoo. There you go. Nice job.
I got up here by myself.
Yes, you did.
Skip one step.
I can sort of see the waterfall right through the trees. It looks like it's gonna be a big waterfall. Yay! Oh, do you see it? Do you see it, Alex?
Yay. Yay.
Haley, we made it! Haley, we made it!
It's overhealed.
The other falls on the other side, the Lulumahu Falls, you can actually like get in the water and go. There's nothing like this. Well, it's a lot less formal and a lot less known about, and it's amazing. Look at me, both of you, look at me. Barbie was living her best life. All right, Haley, show off. Give me a shaka. Shaka.
It's spider shaka.
It's
Yeah.
a spider shaka. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
All right, kid. I love the rainforest of Oahu. This is what I imagine that the entire island of Kauai would be like. Oh, it's a type of bird song? Oh. Do you guys see that right there? That is a giant fern. In Maine, they'd be like this big. That thing is like this big. All right, Alex. All right. No, no more. No more. And yes, my kids do occasionally drive me insane. You're gonna hurt her feelings saying that. Do you know that sometimes you guys drive me crazy on the hike?
Yes. Yes.
Do you do that intentionally?
Yes. Yes.
Getting dark. Alex! That was you! Part reminds me of the redwoods in California. That's what this reminds me of. I wouldn't be surprised if these are redwood trees. It's kind of weird. Does anyone know if there's redwoods in Hawaii?
Maybe it's koa.
Koa? That
Yeah.
might be.
Because you know how it's like kind of reddish?
Yeah, it just looks like a type of redwood. nearly swindled herself onto Maddie's shoulders. She always convinced someone to help her. Because at some point I always forced her to park.
Mongoose.
You just saw a mongoose?
Oh, yucky.
It's the third one.
Alex, shh. Alex, you're gonna wake up. You're gonna scare all the mongoose. We saw so many bugs and animals.
Yeah, Alex, don't scare all the mongoose.
A parrot? There's no parrot in Hawaii.
No, there is.
You gotta use mongoose.
Oh my god, it's a gigantic parrot.
Wait, what?
That was a very creepy sound.
That was, but did you see the size of that bird? Yes. He was massive. It looked like a parrot. It didn't look like one of the parakeets. It looked like a full parrot.
You know, like the white ones.
Yes, he was big. He was a big dude.
Well, he sounded different than a parrot.
It sounded big for sure.
That sounded very weird.
Just keep watching. He's slowly walking out further. He's big. That is definitely a parrot.
Yeah.
Hold on, he'll move. He'll
Oh,
fly.
I saw it. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's a parrot.
I didn't see it.
That's okay. You'll see him if he takes off. He's a big bird.
Upper tree.
I don't think that's native to Hawaii.
You see, it's literally on the branch.
I see it. Yes. I can't.
Is that it?
No, that was a
No,
parakeet.
There's another one right there. He's just like.
He's standing there. He's white and he's big. He's spreading his wings. He's cleaning himself. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. Dial some chickens here. I guess there was a restaurant on site. I think that it was called the Rainforest Cafe or something, or Treetop Cafe. But I didn't see anyone there. I didn't see any menus. It was a little weird because it was like you walked in and there was a bathroom, but then there was the restaurant. So overall, you guys, I thought it was a wonderful hike with kids. It was fairly easy. I don't know if I want to do this one again, but it was beautiful. It was much easier to get to than Lulumahu. That falls. Thank you guys for watching. Mahalo.